WhatsApp has introduced usernames, a new feature that lets you connect with people without sharing your phone number. Instead of giving someone your number, you can simply share your unique WhatsApp username. The feature is rolling out gradually, and while it may not be fully available in every region yet, many users can already reserve their preferred username. In this video, I will show you how to create or reserve a WhatsApp username on your iPhone and how to change it later if you have decided to use a different one. Before you begin, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp from the App Store, as the username feature is being added through app updates. Launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Tap the U tab in the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile picture at the top. Here, tap on Create Username. If the feature is still rolling out in your region, you may see Reserve Username instead. Tap it to continue. Enter the username you would like to use. If it's already taken, WhatsApp will let you know and may suggest available alternatives. Choose a unique username that you will be happy using long term. Tap Save and then tap on Done. If you're reserving a username, it will automatically become active once the feature officially launches in your region. WhatsApp will notify you when your username is ready to use. If you already have a username and want to change it later, it's also easy. Launch the WhatsApp app. Tap U from the bottom navigation bar. Tap Picture. Tap Username and then tap on Edit. Tap Change Username. Enter your desired username. If it's available, continue to the next step. Tap Save. Then tap Done. Your new username will immediately replace your previous one. Using a WhatsApp username offers several benefits. It keeps your phone number private, lets people contact you without sharing your number, create a unique identity that's easy to remember, and makes it easier to connect with new people while protecting your privacy. That's how you can create, reserve, or change your WhatsApp username on iPhone. If the feature hasn't reached your account yet, be sure to update WhatsApp and check back regularly, as the rollout is happening gradually over the coming months. Reserving your preferred username early can help ensure you get the one you want before someone else claims it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.